Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and in this video review we're going to be taking a look at a product from DIY. It is DIY Clean and Protect.
Right, so our interior Clean and Protect is first of all a formidable cleaner. It's a great cleaner, but the protection part doesn't mean we're going to leave the interior glossy and shiny. What it's protecting against is making it easier to clean the next time, but also anti-static, which is what a lot of people have a problem with, dust accumulation on the interior. It's going to slow down that dust accumulation.
All right, the process is very simple. It's straightforward. Simply take your microfiber towel, spray a generous amount on the towel, and simply wipe over your interior panel. It'll remove all the smudges and greasy fingerprints and that type of thing.
Right, and after that, you'll hit it with a dry towel, and you want to hit it with the dry towel before it dries. The whole point is you've now suspended the dirt in the liquid. You want to get that liquid off before it can redeposit the dirt on the surface.
That's really all there is to it.
Yeah, has a nice smell to it.
Well, the thing I really like about this product too, Ivan, is that it doesn't alter the factory finish on the car. So when you're all done, you don't have a slick, greasy looking door panel.
No.
Basically, you really can't even tell that you even put anything on there.
Yeah, that's the whole idea. You know, in the 70s, we wanted that glossy, look like we oiled it look, but that's out of style now, so we're back to a nice clean interior.
And that's all there is to it.
Right.
If you'd like to learn any more information on DIY products, please visit AutoForge.net. We sell a wide variety of DIY products. This is Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Please subscribe. My good friend Ivan, thanks for watching.
Thank you.